On the auspicious occasion of New Year's 2025, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all the people of the country. And I do firmly believe that under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, our nation, Bharat, is going to become one of the most powerful developed nation in the next 25 years. That is why Honorable Prime Minister has taken everybody along with the principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and because of his corrective policy, program, initiative and vision, within 10 years' time, this country become the 5th largest economy in the world. In the next 5 years, we are confident that under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, we are going to become the 3rd largest economy in the world. And I believe because of this extraordinary success story in the last 10 years under the Modi's leadership, we could able to prove our ability, conviction, commitment, dedication, hard work and vision in a global platform. And I wish everyone will stay in peace, happiness, fitness and achieve all kind of success in life. With this, I again pay my deep respect to all the people of the country, and I seek their blessing for rendering selfless service to the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.